with me?
Ibinyambalala yabantu abangaphaya kwama-2,000 bebezokuzonwabisa kumnyhadala wolonwabo wentsuku ezintathu obanjwa nyaka nonyaka eHogsback obizwa njenge-Music in the Snow. Aba bazimasi nabaphuma kwiindawo ezahlukeneyo kwiphondo leMpuma Kapa bebelindele ukonwatyiswa ziimvumi ezidumileyo eziquka uVusi Nova, iJuzzle Brothers, uZuko SA kunye nabanye ebekulindeleke batshintshiselane ngeqonga. Lo mnyhadala untsuku ntathu uqale ngetheko leziselo ezixutyiweyo eziyimibalabala ngosuku lokuqala. Kwalandela umhla wokuhamba nokudlala kwikhephu nelithi ligubungele le ndawo rhoqo ngelithuba lonyaka. Aba bazimasi bayakuncoma lo mnyhadala.
This is my first time. It's fun. Yes, it's fun. We're excited to be here.
It's my first time at the show. I'm enjoying it so much. And I'm looking forward to seeing Uzuko SA and uVusi Nova. Those are my favorite artists.
This is my first time here. I am loving the vibe. Coming in here was smooth, I'm not gonna lie. The ticket system was amazing and the vibe is amazing and everyone is having fun. So I'm just here to have fun.
First time being here and the scenario is actually fascinating. Yeah.
Umphathi wendawo yokuhlala eHogsback Inn, uMark Anderson, uthi lo mnyhadala uzisa ingeniso kushishino lwakhe.
So this festival attracts tourists from far and wide, with an estimated 30% coming from outside of our district, well, actually outside of the Eastern Cape. We've had people from KwaZulu-Natal, from Johannesburg, from the Western Cape, from the Free State, coming to visit us. So it's a big draw card for tourists to Hogsback.
Usekela mphathi walo msitho uViwe Chase uthi kuthatha intsuku ukulungiselela umsitho ukulo mgangatho ukuba ube impumelelo.
From uyayibona ikaliber yayo ingakanani na, there's a whole lot of people. We are catering to 2,000 people today. I mean, it's a threefold event. It started yesterday, today, and also tomorrow we have Ipokikos Soul Sundays. So it depends how fast can you pull out these and new sponsors coming through and agreeing. Then estimated on this one, it took us about 3 to 5 months. The capacity, I would say, because now there's more people that are attending. It's 3 days. And we've got more sponsors that are within us now. We've got Tanqueray, we've got Coca-Cola, Schweppes, so we've partnered with more sponsors, and there's partnerships that are coming together, which makes it a big event.
Abe Music in the Snow bajonge ukutsala abaxhasi abaninzi kulo nyaka uzayo ukuze ukhule ngakumbi lo mnyhadala. Kwindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, ndinguphendisa Mkendlana eHogsback.